What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today we got the wide wheel American scooter here. Okay, it's a dual motor, so this thing has a dual motor system in it. So this has a motor in the back wheel. It's a 4-inch wheel. They're wide, got disc brakes. All right, the battery life on this is great. In the front you got a motor also, so this thing is like supercharged. We got the disc brakes in the front. We got high output LED here. I bought that separately. Does not come with it. You got this pouch here separately. Does not come with it. There you go. Got my keys in there. All right, so I always put stuff in here. And okay. If you're traveling, your phone can go in there. A lot of stuff. GoPro, your accessories. And over here, let me show you how this works, okay? So pretty much, you press on this button and hold it down. And this thing is pretty fast. I already took it to 26 miles per hour. And it pushes hard, really hard. But over here, you can turn on the lights on this guy as well. So there you have it, off. And this throttle, I'm not happy with the throttle because it doesn't have a good push to it, so it's hard to control. I did order the other one, the one that's like it's like a side angle. It has a longer trigger. And this brakes here, this is for the front here. So as I press the brakes, you can see right there, this handle over here, right here, is for the rear brakes, and the LED light in the back comes on. And it does come with a kickstand. So the battery life on this, it gives me a good, oh my God, I haven't even pretty much tested it, but I am able to travel at high speed. And I probably went already about 60 miles on this one charge. And then I charged it again. And once I did the charge, and I still had juice in the battery. But other than that, you could pick up one of these locks. I don't know if I might be able to get this off, but this thing opens up really well. And there you go, it's out. It's stuck in there. I don't know what I did. I pushed it really hard, it got stuck, but it opens up. And if you travel somewhere and you want to lock it up, people always gonna try to steal it, but be careful. But other than that, I'm gonna be doing a lot of videos on the maintenance, so don't forget to check out my other videos. And don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And there you have it, the wide wheel mercane Pro. And you do need to do a lot of services on this car. I mean, like, there's no oil changes, but to maintain it, to keep it up to date, sometimes you gotta adjust the brakes. So here's the braking system. There's shoes inside. I am gonna probably do videos on that. And you can always adjust your brakes over here from this screw and lock them up, so there should be no play in there. But anyways, thank you for watching, and it's gonna be a great adventure with this little guy.